Hi, in front of me is CUBOT R15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view on this device. Firstly, open any apps, for example YouTube and Photos. Then swipe up from Home button and tap on the icon of an app. Select split screen. After that, click on the other app, and now as you can see, I can use both of them at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards and click Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!